Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing one clear photo and a modern browser. You do not install anything. Once ready, open a browser-based background remover or an online editor and upload the image. Make sure the photo is well lit and subject contrast is high because automated tools rely on edges. While uploading, select PNG output if you need transparency. This first step gets the algorithm enough information so the next automatic selection is accurate. Do that now, then move on. Once the tool creates an initial cutout, inspect the mask closely. You will refine it. Use the manual brush or eraser to add or subtract areas. Zoom in to about 200% so you can see hair strands and collars. Make small strokes and toggle the view between original and masked layer to check accuracy. When needed, apply a 1 to 3 pixel feather to soften jagged edges. After refining, preview the subject on a neutral background to confirm the removal looks natural. To finish, export the image as a PNG with transparency or pick a background color and download a JPG. Choose what suits your use. If you see light halos around the subject, go back and increase feather slightly or manually paint out the fringe with a small, soft brush. This fixes most artifacts. If hair or fur still looks off, try the semi-transparent eraser or add a manual layer mask and refine edge by edge. This is the last step to professional results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.